Hi, I'm Michelle from Muskegon Area District Library, and today I have a Take It, Make It craft kit that you can pick up at your branches. This kit is intended for ages 6th grade and younger, and when you get your kit, you will find that you have some yarn, a couple pipe cleaners, some straw pieces, and some beads, and sugar and dish soap. And we're going to start by making the bubbles first, and for that you will need to get a bowl. And you're going to put the sugar in the bottom of the bowl. Just dump it right in there. And then you need 2 cups of warm water. So I have some warm water here, and I'm going to measure out 2 cups. There's 1 cup. And there's the 2nd cup. Then you're going to stir it up until all of the sugar is dissolved, so you can't see the sugar anymore. Let's see here. There we go, that's pretty good. Then you're gonna add in the dish soap. So open up your dish soap, be very careful and don't spill it everywhere. And then dump it in there. And then just stir it up gently. You don't wanna make bubbles while you're stirring it. And get it all stirred up good. All right. Then we're going to set that aside, and you can leave that for a couple hours before you use it. That works better if you let it sit for a while. You can even leave it sitting overnight. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to make the first bubble wand. We have 2 bubble wands that you're going to make today. The first one is using the yarn and the drinking straws that you have, the pieces of that. You're going to take and put the yarn end right through one of the straws. And it takes a little bit of work to get it going. There we go. And then you're going to do the same with the other piece of straw. And this one's a little trickier because it's got the bendy part in it. Once you get the yarn all the way through the straw, you're going to take it and you're going to tie a knot here. There we go, and make it nice and tight. And then you're going to spin that knot around so that it's inside one of the straws. So when you hold up your bubble wand, you don't even see the knot at all. So this is going to be one of your bubble wands. So let's set that one aside, and we're going to make the other one. Now, I gave you 2 pipe cleaners. You really only need 1 to make this bubble wand, unless you wanted to connect them to make a bigger bubble wand, which you are welcome to do. But with this one, you take it and fold it in half. Not really fold it, but put the ends together. And then you twist it and you leave a circle at the end. And you can stretch out that circle a little bit. You can make it a diamond shape, a square. You can make different shapes with it. Totally up to you. Then you're going to take the 2 ends and put beads on those. This will just help make it a little sturdier and stronger. And you can push them all together if you want, or you can leave them spaced apart like I'm doing. It's totally up to you. And you should have about 6 beads in it. And put those all on there. And then take the ends of the pipe cleaner and bend it around the last bead so that the beads don't fall off. There we go. And then that gives you a nice bubble wand. And you can leave the bubble wand like this if you want, or you can bend it up so you dip it into the bubble solution like this. Now, the next part is going outside. You cannot do this part inside, but I will tell you one thing you might want to do when you go outside. You have your bowl with your bubble solution in it, and you have your bubble wands. But if you take some kind of tray, like a cookie sheet or something that's flat, to put this bubble wand in, it will make it a lot easier when you pull it out to get it to pull out and have a bubble in it. So let's go outside and give it a try. So this is one of our bubble wands, and if you just dip it in your bubble solution. Very important though that you take this outside. Don't try doing this in the house. Now for the other bubble wand, the one with the yarn on it, for that, it works best if the bubble solution is in something flat where you can put the whole wand in the soap. So you take your bubble wand with the yarn and you put it in the soap, and when you pull it out slowly, you'll be able to make some bubbles. Thank you for joining us today for this Take It, Make It bubble craft kit. We will be doing more of these, so keep watching our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and MADL.org for more information about more Take It, Make It craft kits.